St. Mary update.
Yes, sir.
Come on, let's see him.
Rum is my lover, and I don't care. So we drink it today, and we drink it forever until check your mama. Everybody.
I